Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. So this video I'm going to explain you about our new bracelet, which is more advanced and which is more in good quality, more improved quality and all. So before that, let me tell you something. Before whenever you go for a meditation, when you start a meditation, it's always better to bring an ambience, to bring a good peaceful ambience. For that, this candles should help you, and also if you can get an agarbatti, that also should help you to bring in a good ambience, so that you will get a good peace of mind and your meditation will be more precise. All right, so let's jump into the video. So this video is about this bracelet, and I'll tell you how this bracelet is different from the old one. Okay, it's made from pyrite, this piece of pyrite. All right, so I'll just simply open up this bracelet. As you know, all our bracelets comes with a certificate from SGL Lab. So if anyone wants to verify, you can just verify with this number. All right, so I'll keep this away. So this is the bracelet. The specialty with this bracelet is it is more elasticity, so the chance of breaking is very less. Okay, it's more elastic and it's more powerful. The beads are very rigid. Also in this, what the specialty is now, we have included a Buddha figure. A Buddha figure has been included. It's very easy. You will feel very much comfortable when you wear on your wrist. So I'll tell you about the pyrite. Actually, the pyrite, as you know, it's connected with the solar plexus chakra. It helps to give you a good abundance, financial stability, emotional balance. It will keep your feet strong in the ground. It will give you a better chances of getting more money. Your decisions will be more precise. So you can wear this pirate bracelet. Okay, many people have a confusion that if this is a plastic and all. So what we did is, and we just broke one and hammered it, and just to show you what is actually inside. This is what inside a bracelet. It's same what you see inside this one. As you know, the pirate is also called as fool's gold. The reason why it is called as fool's gold is because of its color. The color what you see, actually the color of gold is not the yellowish orange color. It's dark. This is the same color. This is the actual color of gold. When people go for mining and all, they think when they find this, when they dig, they see this pirate and they think that is gold, because the gold and pirate has same color. This is the actual color of gold. Okay, when they treat with certain chemicals and all that, it changes to this golden color. Actually, the actual proper color of gold is dark. This one, this black color. So that is the reason it's called as fool's gold. So this is the pirate crystal, pirate bracelet. You can wear them on your left hand. So wearing on the left hand is most important. You have to wear them on the left hand because it is receiving hand. So it has to be worn on the left hand. And to clean this crystal, clean this pirate bracelet, now you can use, as I said, you can use rock salt or sea salt. Just put the crystal in the sea salt. Just bury them fully. Okay, by doing this, all the negative energies within the crystal will be drawn away. And after that, you can place this for like 10 12 hours. After that, you can just simply wipe it off, and you have to throw this crystal away. Okay, you should not keep it anywhere. You have to throw in any draining water and all. Also, today I'm giving one more tip that you can easily clean a crystal using smoke. Okay, if you have a California white sage or even an agarbatti can help. Okay, just light an agarbatti. Okay, just bring the smoke. This also will help. The vibrations or the frequency of this smoke also can help the pirate bracelet to get cleaned. This is another method. There are several methods of cleaning a crystal. This is one among them. You can't use with water. To an extent, water is okay, but you can't put the crystal in the water for a long time. When you go to washroom and all, it's okay. You can use. You can take this crystal. It's okay when some splashes of water hit on them. There is no problem. But when you go for a long putting the crystal inside the water and all that, that is not good. So in that situation, you have to avoid that. So this is all about the pirate bracelet. It's more strong, it's more flexible, it's more elastic, so it won't break in any way. And the Buddha, the main reason of including the Buddha is that it will keep you grounded always. It will keep you grounded always. It will keep you good stability. You won't get any negative energies wearing this one. This will help really a lot. So just wear them on your left wrist. This is the best position. You can wear them on your left wrist. So that's all about the pirate bracelet. So you can just go through, follow the link below to buy your one. All right, thank you so much. And one last thing that I want to tell you is that now we have a giveaway this time. We are giving away, like, this is a wealth kit, as you all know. We are giving 20 wealth kit to our subscribers. So all you have to do is simply subscribe the video and share the video and comment below. Just simply subscribe the video, comment below. You're going to get this wealth kit. Okay, and we'll be announcing the winner the coming day, like the coming Tuesday. The coming Tuesday, we have a 7 days time, and we'll be announcing 20 wealth kit. Last time we gave 10 wealth kit, and I'm happy all of them received them and they have started using it. And you'll be getting 20 giveaways this time. So you just got to simply go down, subscribe the video, and comment below. So that's all about today's video. Thank you so much.